pumpkin, shrimp, coconut milk curry, or Kaddu Cheenga Nariyal Masala, or Mathanga Chemmeen Thenga curry. A very delicious dish which can be made within 20 minutes. Today we are going to make pumpkin prawn curry or pumpkin shrimp stew. The ingredients are 300 grams of pumpkin cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 2 green chillies, 10 to 12 shallots cut into pieces. And 500 grams of shrimps which have been taken out of the shell and cleaned properly, and around 100 grams of brindleberry or kodumbuli which has been dissolved in water and squeezed out. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the green chili and the garlic and the ginger. Put in the shallots. Let the shallots and the green chili and the garlic and the ginger get heated in the oil for a time. Salt and all the ingredients together. Salt until the shallots are golden brown. Saute. The shallots should be nicely roasted and should become a nice golden brown. Put in a spoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This is a non-spicy chili powder and does not make the curry too spicy, but it gives it a nice color. Salt and mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix the salt thoroughly in the mixture so that it's completely incorporated with other ingredients in the mixture. Keep on sorting and mixing so that all the ingredients thoroughly mixed into each other and the taste gets transferred to each other. That's what helps in making a good stew. Put in a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix. Mix the turmeric powder and other ingredients. Now put in the prawn or the shrimp. Mix thoroughly. Mix the prawns into the mixture of the onions, garlic, ginger, green chili, turmeric powder and Kashmiri chili powder. Mix thoroughly. Now put in the pumpkin pieces. We have used the green pumpkin here. Green pumpkins cook easily. If the pumpkins are ripe, the cooking time will be more, and stew will be slightly sweet. You can use the ripe pumpkins if you do not mind the stew being sweet. Mix the pumpkin and the shrimp and the other ingredients together. Keep on mixing so that all the ingredients are nicely mixed. Turn over the pumpkin, shrimp and the other ingredients. Mix thoroughly. Keep on mixing. And let the mixture boil. Pour in thin coconut milk into the mixture, around 100 ml. mix. Now mix the ingredients in the coconut milk. We have used this thin coconut milk which has been squeezed out of the freshly grated coconut powder. Mix the ingredients thoroughly into this coconut milk. Stir and mix. Now pour in 50 ml of the brindleberry water or Kodumbali water and put in the Kodumbali or brindleberry to the mixture. Mix. Mix thoroughly. So that the brindleberry water, the coconut milk and the ingredients are nicely mixed. Now let the mixture boil while stirring. Close. Stir thoroughly. Close and cook for 10 minutes. Now the pumpkin prawn coconut stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final pumpkin shrimp coconut milk curry or pumpkin shrimp coconut milk stew or Mathanga Chemmeen Thenga curry or Kaddu Cheenga Nariyal curry or Nariyal Masala. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.